Look at that guy, he's handsome. Oh, doorbell. After that. Oh, it's my new bike. What's up, YouTube? It's me, Captain Yodelstein, and what we have here is a very messy garage, possibly a slight concussion, but most important thing is I got a new bike. I got Chase Edge BMX bike for racing. Because if you've seen on one of my other videos, I do enjoy BMX, and my old bike is just very old, very heavy, so I was like, hey, I'm having fun, let's get a new bike. So how it comes packaged up. Let's get it unwrapped, put on the bike stand, put together, see what it looks like, see how it rides. Chain guard, don't need that. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, got my first chip. Yeah. Tastes like rubber. Here's the pedals. I am going to get some aftermarket pedals for eventually, but for now I'm gonna modify these. Reflector delete modification complete. That looks super comfortable. It's not supposed to be comfortable. It's supposed to be light. Light means fast. Well, I got the bike together. Quite honestly, it was mostly together. I had to put on the handlebars, the front wheel, the pedals, and the seat. That's it. The only thing I really got to do now is go through the instructions and kind of tell you the torque specs for everything that has, you know, torque specs that hold the bike together. So I'm just going to go through and double check all the torque specs, make sure everything's good. There was chain guard and some reflectors, but you don't need that bull crap. You're not riding at night, not riding on the street. This is a race bike. It goes on the track. Those pedals are terrible. I gotta get new ones. Well, I decided the best way to test ride a new bike is to take it where I'm going to be riding it, and that is over here at Richfield Park at the BMX track. You know, you've seen a video of me out here on the Mosh, but hey, the bike you just watched me put together is what I'm going to be taking out here today. So I'm going to put on the chest mount and take a few laps, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to try not to crash because I hate crashing. All right, first lap, new bike. Just finished my first lap. Just a little quick lap, not really pushing hard, just trying to get used to this new bike. But I'm telling you right now, I do like this bike. It feels way different than the old Mosh. You can feel the lightness for sure. Get a few more laps in and really get used to this bike, and then hopefully in a couple days I have my next gate practice, and then hopefully Sunday I'll do my first race. So I'm gonna get a couple more laps in, probably record a little bit of it, and then put the camera up just so I can enjoy myself and really work on learning the bike. All right, here we go, lap number 2. I feel my handlebars moving. Can't tighten them up a bit. Pulled back quite far on that run. It's all right, brought my tools with me. Tighten up the bars. Go for lap number 3. All right, lap number 3. Hopefully my handlebars stay tight this time. And just to bring it up, I talk about how these pedals are junk. They don't spin real well, but they grip real well. Maybe the shoes I got, but I'm telling you what, I don't know. Still get some new pedals, but all right, enough chit chat. Let's get going. Run number 3. Let's go. get a few more laps in, head home, get some food in me. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're still watching. If not, it don't matter. You've already checked out. Boop. Uh-oh. My zombie hunting license is expired. Perfect.